Hey, it's me, and this time I've built a 3D printed RC air sled. That's what I'm calling it right now. It's just a remote control sled with a propeller out the back, and the propeller is steered by this servo right here that pivots the motor. So it's pretty simple, but looks like it should work pretty well. Although I can't use it today because... So here's the build video, I guess. Well, there's not much to say about this. It's pretty simple. I've just got a hatch right here where I keep the electronics, just so they don't get snow in them. The hull is basically a boat, just, I don't know, this probably wouldn't float that well. It's kind of heavy. So, yeah, the motor back here is a RC car motor, just in case I need to go reverse. I don't know how well that'll work, though. That's just attached with a 3D printed shim to the propeller, and this whole motor mounting thing is on a pivot right here, and wires go down this hole into the main hull, and this servo right here turns the motor mount, and that allows it to steer. If I go this way, it'll steer right. If I go this way, it'll steer left. So, yeah, that's about all I got to say about this. I'm going to be testing it out next week's video, which should be pretty soon, because this one's already late. I had a competition Saturday video on the Vex channel. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya.